In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your location on Surfshark VPN with our easy-to-follow 2025 guide. Whether you're looking to enhance your privacy, access region-specific content, or bypass geo-restrictions, changing your location on a VPN can be incredibly beneficial. Let's get started. First, fire up the Surfshark application on your device. Surfshark is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so even if you're not a tech guru, you shouldn't have any trouble finding your way around. Once the app is open, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. This is your control center, where you'll manage all your VPN activities. Next, look for the VPN option. It's prominently displayed, usually on the left-hand side or towards the bottom, depending on your device. Clicking on this will take you into the heart of Surfshark's service, the virtual private network itself. Here, you'll find a variety of options and settings that can be adjusted according to your needs. Once you're in the VPN section, you'll want to find and select the Location tab. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on Location brings up a comprehensive list of countries and cities you can choose from. Surfshark offers an extensive range of locations, allowing you to switch your online presence to virtually anywhere in the world within seconds. This feature is perfect for exploring different online environments, accessing content from various regions, or simply enhancing your online anonymity. When the location list appears, browse through the selections until you find your desired location. Let's say you want to appear as if you're browsing from France. Simply scroll down to the France entry and click on it. The app will take a moment to connect to the new server. You'll see a confirmation message or a visual indicator, usually a small shield turning green or a check mark appearing, indicating that you've successfully switched locations. Changing your location can sometimes affect your connection speed, so it's always a good idea to run a speed test after switching. Surfshark usually maintains strong connection speeds, but if you experience any drop, try selecting a different server within the same region or a region closer to your actual location for better performance. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully changed your location on Surfshark VPN. Remember, you can switch your locations as often as you'd like, depending on your needs. Make sure to explore Surfshark's other available features to maximize your online security and flexibility. Thank you for tuning in to this guide. We hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Surfshark's support team or dive into the many online resources available. Happy browsing, and see you in the next video.